Hello guys. Our previous discussion was about excavation of structure excavation for common soil, soft rock, and hard rock. Now we will analyze, guys, the item 804.1a, which is the embankment from structure excavation. So the same as before, we will assume 100 cubic meter of quantity. Then for we'll put the description here. Then our assumed production, guys, for this embankment from structure exhibition is 9.84 cubic meter per hour. So we have no materials. Then we'll follow the embankment of this description of this one. Then the quantity is 100 cubic meter, and ay, and our unit is, this is per cubic meter, this is piso per hour, and we will use construction foreman. So this is the rate 70.28. This is automatic already, guys. I already get the formula from this one, so we can get directly from the other page. So for unskilled labor, we have the same labor, guys, from excavation. And for embankment, we'll use the same labor. We need one construction foreman and 3 unskilled labor. So the per cubic meter of this one is some product of this quantity to this one, then divide it by 9.84, our assumed production, that is 19.9 peso per cubic meter of embankment from a structure exhibition. So to get this 100 cubic meter, multiply only by the rate, then the 1999. So this is our direct cost for labor for 100 cubic meter of embankment. So for the equipment, the same quantity and the same unit, and so we will use plate compactor and backhoe. So we need plate compactor, this one, guys, then the backhoe, then we have 10% again for the labor cost of minor tools. So just follow this. This is the equipment we will use so that we can get our assumed production of 9.84 cubic meter per hour. So just follow this one, guys. We need 0.75 hour of equipment for that assumed production. So put 0.75 and 0.75 also for the backhoe. Then we have 0.1 for our labor cost. So some product of this labor for our assumed production, that one. So the per cubic meter of equipment, the peso per cubic meter is, so the same formula from the labor, some product of this quantity to this rate, then we will divide it by 9.84 our assumed production so that we can get the per cubic meter of equipment. So it is 128.51 per cubic meter, peso per cubic meter. So to get the 100 cubic meter amount, so we'll just multiply it by the quantity. Then we have 12,851 for 100 cubic meter of embankment. Okay, this one, guys. So that you can follow, guys, we will try this one manually. This one, we will just multiply it to this one. So we will copy this here down the formula. So if we sum that one all, then we will divide this one to our assumed production, which is 9.84. So this is the same, guys. See, the rate is 128.51. that is the for manual computation. Okay, so our direct cost is estimated direct cost is the sum of this one, the equipment, and also the labor and materials. But we have zero materials, so our estimated direct cost is 14,841.6, the total of the labor and equipment. So the per cubic meter should this one, guys, the lab, this is right in that per cubic meter is divide this estimated direct cost to the quantity. This is 100 cubic meter, so we have 148.42 per cubic meter for the embankment item, embankment from structure excavation. So this is 148.42. So the indirect cost, we have 15% again, guys, for the OCM. Then the profit is 10%. Then we have 5% value added tax. Then multiply again this one to the total direct cost. Then this one 10% times the direct cost. This is the profit. Then the tax is the sum of the direct cost plus the OCM and the profit. So this one times this one plus this. Okay, so it's 927. So this is our total indirect cost, 4,631. So our total work item is only, if we have escalation, we will add that one. Then estimated direct cost from then the indirect cost, direct and indirect. So our unit cost for this work item is the total of work item for this 100 cubic meter of embankment from structure excavation is, we have to divide it to 100 cubic meter. 100 cubic meter, so 194.8 pesos per cubic meter of embankment from structure excavation. Remember, guys, if we will change the quantity, we will make 18 cubic meter or 5 cubic meter, the answer will be, the unit cost will be the same, because this is the analysis per cubic meter of embankment. So the quantity does not matter, guys. It will result to the same amount per cubic meter. So we will just put this on 100 cubic meter only. The total direct cost or the indirect cost amount will be different, but the per cubic meter will be the same. Okay, guys, so this is the structure embankment from structure excavation. Thank you for your time, and please follow and like, guys. Thank you.